The CT147, I would say, is one of our hottest bumper pull models. We'll start at the front, we'll run our way back on this one. This is the CT147, CT meaning cushion tilt, so it's essentially a gravity tilt dampened by a cylinder. But starting at the front, we got our adjustable 2 5/16 ball coupler, standard on this model as well. Like always, our Arctic wiring, harness and front lead, rated for -60. Single 12,000 pound jack. This one also opted to add the toolbox, and as you guys have seen before, we seal the front toolbox as well as the side toolboxes to try to maintain how much moisture comes in through the front or through the top. So to operate this cushion tilt, the split deck, it's about a 40-60 split. There's a simple latch on the side here, which you'll pull out and just release. There's also a damper valve here. This is closed, locked in place. So if you had a longer wheelbase on your equipment that you were loading, you want to lock that deck in place while it's tilted so it doesn't come up partially loaded up above your rear axle and cause problems for you. You can also just dampen it, slow it down. If you're coming up with a skid steer, you don't want it coming down full tilt. You want it coming down nice and smooth. So with it unlocked, the damper valve at about halfway, it should just come down even just with my body weight as we walk towards the back here, nice and smooth. And at the back, we have the knife edge, again, for loading equipment, just like we see on the HT147. Low profile tires, small scissor lifts, etc. You can drive on nice and easy without having to maneuver over a big ramp or big bump. This customer also added some D-rings along the sides for chaining down equipment. If you're tying down skid steers, heavy equipment, obviously that may be the route you want to take. So that's the CT147, the cushion tilt model. Primarily, we call it a skid steer trailer, hauling skid steers, machinery, that sort of stuff. Comes in both tandem and tri-axle configurations, 14,000, 21,000 GVW. If this is something you're in the market for, check us out online, spec out yours, or find your local dealer. Again, on the website, dealer locator. Thanks for watching.